Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I'm here today to share with you the card that I'm gonna be making. It's a Sweet November Stamps by Amy Young. So I'm using my Tim Holtz stamp platform, and I use the archival ink because I ran out of Memento. And so it was good. It was okay because I was kind of worried about the Copics that I'm going to be using there, but it smudged a little bit on the face, but overall it was fine. I'm using my Big Shot now to cut out some numbers that I'm going to be needing for the card, and I used my favorite things Dynamics, as you can see there. Here's another clear stamp that it's really old, but this is the first time I'm going to be using it. So, and then another stamp by Hero Arts. As you can see there, I laid it out all the clear stamps that I'm going to be using to have it as a background for the image that I used. I decided to use all the months of the year for the 2022, so kind of like makes sense, you know. We're starting all over again, you know, like January, etc. I really like this Tim Holtz platform. So I don't waste cardstock, you know. I can just re-ink the clear stamp and repeat the process. I'm using my Copic markers to color the image, as you can see there. I keep forgetting to show the numbers of the Copic markers that I used, but these are just random, and I don't really have a lot of Copics, so I just use what I have, and hopefully it'll work. That's what I'm doing right now, and because I totally forgot the colors of the skin tone that I used before, but I just haven't find my book. Usually I wrote it down, all of the combination colors that I want to use for the image, especially the face, the hair, sort of things. So well, not only I can't find actually it's not a book, it's a notebook. I can't find a notebook, and my craft room is a mess. So, and I tried so many times to organize it, but it ended up looking still a mess. So I don't know what to do to organize my craft room. I feel like I'm just wasting my time, you know, because every time I'm done organizing, and then I go back to the room, and it still look like a chaos. My craft room is still the same. It's just that I change it a little bit. Next time when I'm done organizing, and I organize all my stamps and all, and I don't have a lot anyway, so I don't know why I'm having a hard time organizing my stuff, you know. But anyway, once I'm done, I can I do video again about my craft room, so I can show it to you guys. So what it looks now. So my room is really small, so that's why I don't have enough room to move around that much. But it's actually good. Like I told this so many times, that it's really good to have a small room, a small craft room. So it's good to have a small room, so I don't have to buy more stuff, you know. So that's what's happening to me. If I have bigger room, I want it to fill the space with a lot of stuff. So that's why it's good that I don't have any option. So I don't know if you notice, I like to test the color first on a piece of paper before I start coloring, because like I said, I forgot the combination colors that I used before, And so that's why I have a piece of paper there, kind of testing it out before I start putting it on the image. Do you guys do like a New Year's resolution? When I was young, I remember I do that all the time, but I don't remember really fulfilling any of my resolution. Maybe some, but not all. So I stopped doing it after, I keep failing on it. This year I feel like I want to do a New Year resolution because after like we're still in the pandemic, but I'm just saying, like experiencing pandemic, you know, all of us, it changes really. It's like it teaches a lesson, like in all different aspect in life. So, but anyway, what I'm saying is like this year I want to be a minimalist. I don't know, I'm just laughing at it because I'm not, well, but I want to try to be a minimalist, but for a crafter like me, I know that's not going to happen, but I'm not doing it as a crafter. I want to be a minimalist, like for a house, you know what I mean? Like, sometimes it makes you realize, do I really need this? Stuff like that. In craft, yeah, some, you know, sometimes you think like, oh, do I really need this or something like that? Or most of the time we just want to have stuff, just to have it. Like what happened to me, back in the day, like keep buying because I want to have. So what happened, it's like 90% of my stuff I haven't used. Okay, so now, so yeah, so I haven't used them. So that's why this year, aside from I want to be a minimalist, like the things like my, the house stuff, like I'm gonna try my best not to buy things that I won't really need unless I really need it. That's sort of things. And then for the crafting, what I want to do is really, I've been wanting to do it, like use the stuff that I have, so especially the stamps, the papers, those are the things that I hoard like crazy and I haven't used them. So this year, that's what I want to do. So that's what you guys are going to be seeing in my YouTube channel. I'll be using my stuff, what I have. So but I'm not saying I'm not buying, but I'm going to try to use more of my stuff than buying, because right now I'm not looking with to be honest, I'm not looking at all of the new crafts available, and the new crafts now. I'm really out of the loop on that, because I know myself, I see something that I really like because I'm gonna get it, so I'm just trying to cut back in a way. So I'm almost done with the card that I'm doing, and I'm just adhering the numbers that I cut out earlier using my Big Shot. I decided to use the glossy adhesive. I forgot what to call that, glue. to add, aside from glossiness and for the months to pop up. So that's why I decided to put all, and then I let it dry. So yeah, so I like it. And then I use my sparkle pen that I love using all the time. So in this video, I use my distress ink just to test it out what it will look. But I took a picture of this card already without the distress ink because I'm really into distressing my cards. If you've been my old subscribers before, you know that I love distressing my cards. So that's the one that I didn't use a distress ink, so I took a picture of that. And then this one, I used a distress ink with it. I don't know, I feel like I like the clean version. Anyway, I wish you all a happy new year, and I hope you guys like this video. It's a very simple card. I hope you guys still like it. And once again, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.